Hi, this is just a real quick tutorial to show you how to sign into an iTunes account on a separate iOS device. The reason you might want to do something like this is if you have multiple devices that you want linked to the same account, this would allow you to download an app that you had purchased on one device and still use it on another device at the same time without having to purchase it again. I believe according to Apple's licensing, you can put this on up to 10 devices with one account. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to find your settings, which looks just like this on iOS 7. Once you've found your settings then, you're going to come up here. Now, we started with our general settings. You have the option on this left-hand panel. You have the ability to scroll up and down. So if you take your finger and you scroll up like this, you will find at the very bottom of the screen iTunes and App Stores right here. This is the one that we want to tap on. When we tap on that, it's going to... Now here you have the opportunity to sign in to an Apple ID. You'll see up here at the top you have a spot for an Apple ID, which looks like an email address, and a password. You also have the option, if you don't already have an Apple ID, you can create one right here. After you type in your username, which would be your email address, and your password, you tap Sign In right here. It's going to go through a little bit of a process, and then you're going to see your Apple ID up at the top, as well as all of the information that you have access to. Now, the next step is going to be to find out, or to download an app that you've already purchased. Now that we're signed into the iTunes Store, we can open up the App Store app on our device and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Purchased. This little icon right down here. We have two buttons. We have all of our apps, and we have our apps that are not on this iPad. That's the one that you want to tap on. You're going to see all of these little icons that look like a cloud with an arrow. When you tap on that cloud with an arrow, it's going to start downloading that app onto your device. Once that loading process finishes, it's going to change from a cloud to an open button. When you tap that, it's going to open up the app, and see, I've got BlockPath right here that shows up in my list of apps. Hope that helps.